Hi, I'm Dr. Yung Price, Integrative and Holistic Physician, naturopath, and founder of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how to regain your brain power so that you can think clearly, calmly, and effectively again. And would you like that? Do you ever have periods of forgetfulness, times where you forget where you've put your keys or parked your car, or times where you struggle to find the right words and you need to give your brain time to actually catch up with your mouth? Have you ever had times where you felt confused and it seemed like your brain was just like a tangled mess? Maybe you've experienced these terrible times when you don't feel in control and you get really angry for no reason, or you feel the urgent impulse to just run away, or stress just shuts you down completely and you can't process anything, think anything, or feel anything. If so, I feel your pain and anguish, and I think I can help. When these brain function issues happen to us, it's usually during a period of mental and emotional overload, and it has to do with our brain processing power under stress. When you experience these problems, you're likely suffering from subconscious programming conflicts that are short-circuiting your brain function. Fortunately, there's help available. You see, during our early childhood, we, our parents, and other key people in our lives installed subconscious beliefs in us, beliefs about the world and how to respond to us. And as we grow up into adults, emotional and traumatic experiences, as well as influences of people around us, also educates us subconsciously with beliefs that determine how we are to react to what happens to us in life. Some of the beliefs are positive, like you can do this, or you're wonderful and powerful. But many of these beliefs are fear-based. And this is because our parents, our own innate self-protection, prioritize pain avoidance over everything else. So your subconscious pays more attention to something that scares you, or that you might feel hurt you than anything else. And these beliefs have been installed in our subconscious mind, and they operate outside our conscious awareness, so we're usually not even aware of them or what they're doing to us. And these beliefs function automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every year of our lives, and they automatically determine our response to the world around us. They silently influence our behavior and unconsciously direct our lives. They're like computer programs or phone apps that, when activated, automatically perform a lot of functions at once, just like an app or computer program. When your subconscious programs are activated, they tell your body's operating system to perform functions like raising your heart rate, pouring adrenaline into your blood, widening your blood vessels, and increasing your perspiration. In this way, your subconscious mind directs a physical response in your body. I like to call this the mind-body connection effect, because you cannot disconnect your feelings, beliefs, thoughts, and emotions from your mind. So your mind and your physical body are really connected. Every thought, belief, emotion has a measurable physical impact. And when the beliefs, emotions, and thoughts are positive, your body responds in ways that are healthy and empowering. However, when they are negative or fear-based, the opposite occurs. And this mind-body connection phenomenon powerfully affects our most important processing organ, our brain. So what happens when your computer or smartphone has too many apps or programs that are running all at the same time? That's right, it slows down or it crashes. So when you've got too many negative subconscious programs that operate, and these programs conflict with each other or your conscious desires, you get problems. They may show up like brain fatigue, forgetfulness, confusion, inability to find the right word, and even the 3 stress responses of fight, flight, or freeze. These are all symptoms of subconscious program overload and neurological confusion. So when this happens, you need help. Fortunately, we can dissolve the mind-body stress that surrounds limiting beliefs, and we can reduce all the internal noise that's causing your brain to crash. So on Saturday, 28th of July, I'm holding a full live workshop where I'll help you get back a clear, calm, and effective brain. I'll help you clear the stress that's present with limiting self-beliefs that are impacting on your brain function. And when the stress is removed, it's like wiping your brain stress whiteboard clean, or like resetting your computer back to the factory settings. I'll also give you my top physical strategies, nutrients, energy techniques, and tools to feed and nourish a healthy, calm, peak performing brain. You'll have a much more efficient and relaxed brain, and you can think clearly, be calm under pressure, work more efficiently and effectively than ever. So join me on July the 28th for this incredible, powerful, liberating workshop and regain a clear, calm brain again. Just go to the Beyond Good Health website to learn more and secure your seat. You'll be amazed at what will happen for you when you attend the Clear, Calm Brain workshop. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.